Hi, I'm Daniel with SafeFlex Floor System, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our workstation kits. Here I have a 1 square meter workstation kit with the A1 tiles. That is a 4x4 feet. We have them set up to show you how easy they connect, and then I'm just going to quickly show you how easy they come apart just with maybe one tile. So here I go. So I typically like to line up my first tab here. You can technically stand on them. We do like to say it's like Lego for adults. So I've just tapped in my first corner here, so it's a corner piece. As you can see, the corner is still here, and now I'm going to grab an end piece here. And we're just going to put the tabs underneath lightly, hammer, underneath the grooves. So here I've got one of the corners completed. So you have an end piece, corner piece, outside corner, and then you've got your inside side piece. So now I'm just going to connect the bottom tabs here, the male tabs into the female end here. And I'm going to move on to the second bit. As you can see, it comes together quite easily. We're going to connect a female corner now. I'm barely pressing on that. So now you've got half the workstation completed. Now we're going to move on to the other half. And just like that, we've assembled our very first SafeFlex workstation kit. Very easy. Before we go, I just want to show you how easy it is to pull the mats apart. In case you ever want to change production or change your working environment, it's super simple. The mats just come apart like Lego for adults. Just like that, the kit comes apart easily. And if you're looking to replace the tiles, it's as easy as pop one out, put one back in. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.